Today I'm going to be making paella, the national dish of Spain. While doing research on this dish, I found that people are very passionate about the correct way to make it. So I looked into the origin of this dish and found that it actually originated in Valencia. So that's the version I'm going to be making today. Many foreigners add things like chorizo, peas, and turmeric, which is actually not traditional and more of a foreign adaptation. Traditional paella has rabbit and chicken as the main meats, but if you cannot find rabbit, pork rib is said to be a great substitute. The cool thing about paella is that it's actually a union between two cultures in Spain, the Romans and the Arabs. The Romans introduced irrigation to Valencia, and then later in the 10th century, the Moors in Muslim Spain began to cultivate rice. And by the 15th century, rice was a staple in many Spanish dishes. Paella was originally a farm labor or working class food, but over the years it has become one of Spain's most loved dishes.